Well, Dance Days has been going over 5 years now, and we've now been working in over 300 schools. We work with all age groups from early years, Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2 and into secondary schools as well. I hope that the children get a different experience. Promoting dance in school, I'm very passionate about. I think sometimes it can be overlooked, and I think it's a great link to PE, and also a different form of exercise as well. Understanding working as a team, working with a different partner, and just shining in a different way and something different out of their classroom environment.
Children get so much out of dance workshops. They learn all about spatial awareness, working as part of a team, working with others, learning to follow choreography, following steps, and being really creative, learning how to develop their creativity.
I enjoy Dance Days because we can learn new things and we get to be physically active while we're having fun as well.
The dance course is about learning dancing and making our brains stronger. My favourite session this morning was the Bollywood one because it's really fun. I definitely like doing the whole thing of the dancing with the Lion King. The one where you go up with the hands. My favourite workshop was the Brazilian carnival. We had masks with lots of feathers.
We've been studying Chinese dance.
We were also running around with a dragon. The flamingo dance was really good and exciting. Every school should have a dance workshop. When you're sad, if you do Dance Days, then you get happy again.
I would absolutely 100% recommend Dance Days to other schools. I think, the level of fun and passion that the instructors bring to the Dance Days that they're, planning for is just inspiring to see. It's not only to the children, but the teachers get extremely excited about it. The parents as well, obviously, are thriving on, coming to watch the performances. And also, I think it's important to realise that not all primary teachers are skilled within, teaching the PE curriculum, in particular dance. So why not have the most amazing expert specialists come in and teach our lovely children?